Excuse me, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Okay.
What is the main purpose of program? In olden days, programs were not there.
Correct.
But nowadays, programs are there. What is the difference, sir?
Okay. I'll give you answer on my example. Okay.
Yes.
So when I was in school days, I was staying in the hostel in Ameerpet. That is 4 hours from the Macharla, our hometown. Okay, so we are in the hostel, BC hostel. Suddenly, if money is required, at that time, what do? We go to post office, we buy the postcard, then write the letter, and then drop in the post box. If the postman is available, he will take the postcard and send to the hometown. So it will take minimum 3-4 days to reach the hometown. After reaching there, if my father is available, he will come to Narayana to give money. If he is busy with work, then he has stopped his work and coming to the Narayana. For coming purpose, he is spending the money for charges. And he is spending at least 1 day, 2 days time. And coming there, giving money. How much I want, for example, 500 rupees. But for that extra, he is spending 200 rupees. 100 rupees coming, 100 rupees going. Right? That is at that time process. When some 15 years back. But now, suppose if I want money, if I call to parent, within a fraction of seconds, he is giving the money now. At that time, 2 days process. But now, 2 seconds process. At that time, we had to go to the post office, stand in the line, buying the card, writing the card, and dropping the box. But now, take the mobile phone, send the message. Fraction of seconds. So the difference is, at that time, we required more time to solve the problem. But now, fraction of seconds. Next, at that time, it is a human dependency process. Human dependency means, suppose I go to the post office. If the postman is there or post master is there, he give me the card, he give me the stamp, write it. Suppose it's a holiday, it is Sunday or second Saturday, we can't do it. Next, suppose it is there, I wrote it, I post in the box. Postman is absent on that day, again 1 day delaying. Next, after coming to hometown, suppose father is busy with work, again postponing. So this all is a human dependency process. But now, no dependency. Just take the mobile phone, open the UPI and send the money. And one more is, at that time, expensive more. Why? I told you, father coming there, giving money, coming back. He is spending more money to give me that amount. But now, no extra amount. Maybe the platform charges 2 rupees, 3 rupees right now. Okay. So then, now you tell me, at that time, easy processor, present easy processor.
Present only.
Why? Because of UPIs. UPI means what? Programs only. Any app, either UPI or bank applications are there, like Phone Pay, Google Pay, or else this anything. All are the programs only. So because of programs, our work is done very easily now. At that time, also work is done, but with a lengthy process. Not tell me which one better now.
Present only.
Correct.